Tell me who it is walking. Brycey, come here and look at me. Bryce?
What?
Who's walking?
Dragon.
Why don't you sit in your chair?
No, yeah.
Why don't you sit in your chair?
Hi. Hi.
Bryce, why don't you sit in your chair? Come here. Sit in your chair. Got a nice chair there. You want to sit in your chair?
House.
You want to sit in your chair?
The house. What's that, Grandma?
What is what?